ER doctors are talking about the terrifying trends they see involving young victims of gun violence. They spoke with CBS 58's Yukari Nakayama about what they want the public to know and to change.
ER doctors here at Children's Wisconsin say that they're only seeing a rise in young gun violence victims, saying the #1 cause of death for children are guns here in the city of Milwaukee.
It can be pretty horrific to see what a bullet can do to a small body.
Dr. Michael Levis, ER doctor at Children's Wisconsin, says gun violence victims are only getting younger and younger, a trend he's seen only get worse in the 11 years he's worked in Milwaukee.
When we see the upwards of 70 patients we've already treated just this year under the age of 18, it's traumatic.
He says this year alone, 7 of their patients died because of a firearm.
The hardest part of this job is telling a parent that their child is dead. It's kept me up at night.
Betty Ross knows all too well of that pain. She lost her 13-year-old granddaughter, Shanaria Wilson, back in April to senseless gun violence. She says her family's life forever changed.
It's even worse than the day it happened. And the reason I say that is because it's like my daughter lost a child, and then one she that's terrified of everything.
In an op-ed, Dr. Megan Schultz, an ER medicine physician at Children's, said during my fellowship training in Milwaukee, I grew accustomed to seeing bullet-riddled children. And according to several reports, Milwaukee isn't alone with this issue.
Firearms are the #1 cause of adolescent and child death in this country. It's more than car crashes, it's more than cancer, it's more than heart disease and youth.
Children's Wisconsin offers Project Ujima to help treat a child after experiencing violence, but Dr. Levis says it's not enough.
It should terrify every parent that the biggest risk to their child's life, whether they live in the urban area, the rural area, or the suburbs, is firearm death. That is what's going to take their children.
The doctors say they hope by speaking out about this issue, it's taken seriously and they see change. Here in Milwaukee, Yukari Nakayama, CBS 58 News.